My name is Francesco. My studio is Luminous Sound here in Dallas, and I am a recording connection mentor. I am a music producer, sound engineer, and composer. My publishing is signed with Universal Music. Now, when I moved here to Dallas, I was looking for the top facility here in Dallas, and went to a few locations and finally ended up here, and here I am at Luminous. I work from here, I record, I do mixing. This is actually my mixing room, and I also teach from here, right, with the same gear that I like to, show the students how to operate. The difference between this program and a conventional school, again, is mentorship. In the trajectory of my career, I've been blessed to work with a lot of people, not only artists, but music producers. I've done a lot of work for the major labels, a lot of artists that are signed with Universal, Warner, Sony. Just recently this year, we're celebrating, I actually composed a song that was the single for this album, for this group that has over a 20-year career. So we have a lot of microphones that we use for recording. We have C112s, we have TL2s, we have some of the new ones, the U87, 149. We also use a lot of outboard gear. We love the man leads that are right here behind me. We have the Bricasti reverbs, we use Eventide, 1176, distressors, the console 9000J. We have 3 main studios that we operate from. So this is Studio A here at Luminous. This is literally $1 million room right here. The acoustics are phenomenal. This was built just for sound, for mixing and mastering, tracking. Now let's take a look at the live tracking room right here at Studio 8. If you notice, this room is designed for optimum audio. And by that I mean the very famous acoustician, Peter Runheinsen, he designed this room, all the facility as a matter of fact, but this room is very special because of the way it sounds. We have a machine electrical room where we have electrical circuits separated for each room operating in an audio piece of gear. We have the C room, a smaller room that is a post-production room. It's for video, it's wired to be 5.1 surround. Then we have the B room where owners work exclusively from there. They do a lot of music production, they do film scoring. I believe you gotta have a mentor to help you. You have to get the hands-on experience. So it's almost like, you can shoot the ball all day, every day, right? But until you have a coach right next to you, showing you the technique and showing you how to hold the ball and shoot, it's only then when you become really great. If you really wanted to make this into a career where you can be successful, you gotta sit under somebody who's been successful and learn the trade of it. The curriculum has been prepared in a way where students can, from wherever they're at, open up their laptops, log in onto the portal, and learn the lessons, watch the videos, take the different pop quizzes and get you thinking, get you to really exercise the information that you're learning. It's a concept that hasn't been done before. It's very unique. I think it's actually genius because students can actually get to sit next to somebody who's done it before, who's really experienced at it, and not only can show you how to do it, but can review your work. There has been many students that have gone through the program, have graduated, have gone to work at other studios. They have even opened up their own studios, have operating now to where they're successful. They're running their plays, they're doing recordings, they're doing mixes. This one kid particular, his name is Isaac. I actually helped him. He went through the program. He did 2 courses under me, became an incredible music producer and then an incredible engineer. I brought him here. He is now working here as one of the engineers of Luminous. Another guy just quit his day job to transition into this full-time. Come on, who wouldn't want to do this full-time music? That is the dream. I can only take the individuals who are very serious about this. What I look for in an apprentice or somebody that wants to join the program is dedication. They gotta be very serious about this, and they gotta be able to put in the work. So you gotta have faith, you gotta believe in yourself, knowing that things are gonna work out. And if you do, and if that's you, come and sit under me.